the cherry on top to wrap all this up,
Come on.
we're gonna go skydiving.
No way.
Yes!
Dude, falling from thousands and thousands of feet in the air.
Don't worry about that. Let's go race F1 cars.
Yeah.
And what better place to do so than at the Dubai Autodrome, home to some of the fastest cars in the entire city. Just grab whatever car you want. Let's go race.
All right.
Let's go. And I called up some of the biggest local creators to have a field day with these supercars. Let's have some fun.
They're going so fast.
And this is just the first of many experiences we're going to be doing here. We are just getting started.
I'm ready to race.
Oh, we're about to lap someone. We're catching up to them.
Oh no, Jimmy! No! No!
Come on, Grandma.
I don't think my mom will be happy watching me race.
I don't think she could drive slower if she wanted to.
That's illegal, okay? That's really illegal.
While my friends and I were pretending to be race car drivers, Carl was getting ready to drive an actual Formula level race car.
I look so cool now. Let's do this thing. Off to a rocky start. Yo! Oh! Oh my God, I'm driving a Formula car! This is the best day of my life!
For the price of this experience, we actually got to keep this brand new Lamborghini. I want to enjoy it a little bit. Oh! In case you're curious, this bad boy is fast. Let's go to an NBA game all the way in Abu Dhabi. But to be honest, guys, I'm not the kind of guy who likes to drive around sports cars. And plus, we cannot find a parking spot. So I'm just gonna find someone to get this thing to. Do any of you watch the Mr. Beast channel?
Yeah.
That says subscribe. Can I just give you this Lamborghini?
I prefer someone else to have it.
What? What the heck just happened? Hey, sir, security, can you come over here? Oh, he's subscribed. Can I just give you this Lambo?
Yeah, please.
All right, get in. This is officially your Lamborghini.
I'm actually shaking right now.
This is why you gotta make sure you're subscribed. I'd hate for you to lose a Lamborghini. Hey, boys, what are you doing? We got courtside tickets. Enjoy.
I'm so happy.
With the Lamborghini now off my hands, I gotta sit courtside at a pro basketball game. But instead, it just ended up turning into a photo shoot. Then afterwards, I said hi to Steve Harvey. And after that, Russell Westbrook. And with $200,000 worth of experiences left to do, up next, we got to take over a massive water park.